How to change group name in WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a group name in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Here, tap to open the group that you want to rename. After that, tap on Group Name to see details. Now, tap on the Edit option given in the top right corner. Here you can rename your group. Add a new name of your group. Once you're done, tap on Done given in your top right corner. After a few seconds, your group name will be updated. You can again change its name by the same process. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.